Hi, welcome to NetGain's Tech Tip videos. Today we're going to be sharing some tips in Microsoft Word, starting with the Dictate feature in the right-hand corner of the Home tab. This feature allows you to talk into the computer and it will type the words for you. This can be a huge time saver and especially helpful if you don't like typing. The next feature we're showcasing is the focus setting under the View tab on the left here. This feature is really nice because it won't give any notifications and it just leaves you and your work. Takes away all distractions. To get out of the focus feature, just hover over the top, re-hit focus, and there you go. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next tech tip video.